Our day 7 drive is from Bahalpur, Assam to Malda, West Bengal, covering a distance of 512 kilometers. We will drive via Kokrajhar to hit NH27, that is east-west corridor at Gosaigaon, and continue on NH27 until Dalkhola. From Dalkhola, we will take NH12. As advised by my friends, I will avoid Bengal route and go via Dalkhola.
Just after 6 in the morning, we started from the guest house of SCS College of Agriculture and took the beautiful Bahalpur Kokrajhar road.
We are at Srirampur. We are about to leave Assam. We have just crossed the Srirampur gate. Weather is rainy, and I think it will continue to rain due to cyclone Asani in east coast. So hopefully it will be a pleasant day to drive. We are some 10 hours away from our destination in Malda. Some coast breeze. We are just entering into West Bengal now. Just crossed the entry check post for Alipurduar district in West Bengal.
We are now driving on NH317 via beautiful Buksa forest in North Bengal. This area is also known as the Chican's Neck of India.
We took the same route while going to Assam. Now we are returning. So this is Hasimara Air Force Base is towards our right. We have just crossed Hasimara Air Force Base on our right. India's second Rafale squadron is based here. We are 132 kilometers away from Siliguri, and then I think roughly 8 hours from our destination in Malda.
Just after 9 a.m., we stopped for breakfast at Gopal Hotel and Restaurant, Hasimara, and resumed our journey after 40 minutes.
Now we are crossing Tista River. We are near Jalpaiguri. I think we'll need another 7 hours to reach our destination. Progress is good so far. Weather is cloudy. Beautiful road here in North Bengal. So weather is nice. Drive is enjoyable. We hope we'll be in our Malda hotel by 5 p.m. We are some 215 kilometers away from our hotel in Malda. Lot of tea gardens like we see in Upper Assam.
These trucks are waiting at the infamous Dalkhola railway crossing. I have been told that one side of the new overbridge is open for light motor vehicles. A security guard guided us to take left to go via the new overbridge.
The famous Dalkhola railway crossing. So one side is getting ready, but only light motor vehicles are allowed. Approach road is not that good, and I see a huge queue of trucks, but they are allowing light motor vehicles to pass through this. LMV, if you can negotiate that bad approach, we should be good. And I heard the stories about like people getting stuck for 2-3 hours at this railway crossing. When the other side is completed, it will be good for people traveling on this stretch.
Around 3 p.m., we stopped for tea at Tungidighi. Earlier at 12 noon, we had tea at Fulbari. For bio breaks, cocoa fuel stations are good option. We were carrying some foods, so did not take a lunch break as such. Construction is still going on in this section of NH12 in Raiganj. At 5:45 p.m., we reached Golden Park Hotel and Resort.
We are here at Malda in West Bengal. We are staying overnight at this beautiful hotel, Hotel Golden Park. This is right on National Highway 12. So if you are looking for a place for overnight stay, this may be a good option in Malda.
On day 8, we will drive from Malda to Kolkata. We will take NH12 until Krishnanagar. Then we will take State Highway 6 to reach Kolkata. We left Golden Park Hotel and Resort, Malda, at around 8 in the morning and took NH12.
We have left our hotel in Malda and on the way to Kolkata, the city of joy. I am very excited to see Victoria Memorial and a few other places in Kolkata, and especially doing shopping.
We are now crossing Farakka River Barrage. It is built over the river Ganga in West Bengal in Murshidabad district. It has 109 gates. Its main purpose is water management. It is one of India's longest river barrages with feeder canals. We are now on the way to Kolkata. This is the river Ganga. This is like about our fourth time crossing Ganga.
Actual gates with steel frames on our right. In between this bridge and that steel frame, there are railway tracks. Security of this barrage is managed by CISF. There are posts on the bridge as well as at the entry and exit. In West Bengal, while driving, be careful of these barricades placed by local police. If there is a local movement or place where there is local crossing, this kind of barricade is placed. Just you saw one, now next one is within like 200 meters. So another one is placed here.
We stopped for early lunch at Sebok Hotel, Naudapara Railgate. We enjoyed fish thali, misti doi and rosagulla.
We are on State Highway 6, 105 kilometers away from our hotel in Esplanade. This is a state highway. It's a very good single carriageway road. Tarmac is very good. However, some local traffic will be there, and I think it should take 2.5 hours from now. We should be there around 4:30 p.m.
At 2 p.m., we stopped for tea at Nibhuzi Bazar, Kalna, and resumed our journey after 15 minutes.
We are right now crossing the Viofo Setu. It is the second Hooghly Bridge. This is the first and longest cable-stayed bridge in India. It connects the twin cities of Howrah and Kolkata. The weather is very nice. I am very excited to see the Victoria Memorial.
At 5 p.m., we reached Lytton Hotel, Sadar Street, right next to New Market. We stayed 4 nights in Kolkata and visited few important places.
We are at the Victoria Memorial, which is located in central Kolkata. It is a large marble building. It is a famous monument in Kolkata. The weather is very nice, very pleasant. We are enjoying our stay, and the gardens are very beautiful, and a very pleasant breeze is blowing. Lots of greenery, lots of flowers are there. We are enjoying our stay at Kolkata.
And now we are having an ambassador ride. Now you can see that this is actually an ambassador. It is a very old car. It's like, yeah, we can see lots of old vehicles which still run in Kolkata, like bus, an old bus. Yeah, my father is talking in Bengali. First time experience on ambassador.
Today we are at Science City, Kolkata. This is a good place to visit here in the city of joy. Specifically, if you are visiting with kids, I highly recommend this place. We are now taking Evolution of Life ride here at Science City, Kolkata.
प्रचंड धूल के बवंडर से हमारे सौर जगत का जन्म हुआ। धीरे धीरे पृथ्वी शीतल होने लगी, बहुत सारे गैस बाहर निकलने लगे और पृथ्वी के चारों ओर वायुमंडल के रूप में छा गए। इन गैसों ने बिजली की कड़क और बादलों की गरज से मिलकर एमाइनो एसिड का निर्माण किया। प्राय 350 करोड़ वर्ष पहले प्रथम एक कोशिकीय जीव की रचना हुई। लगभग 280 करोड़ वर्ष पहले स्टोमेटोलाइट प्रकाश संश्लेषण के द्वारा वायुमंडल में ऑक्सीजन के स्तर में धरती पर पेड़ पौधों का जन्म हुआ, जो बढ़ते गए और घने जंगलों में बदल गए। भ्रूण, मकड़े हुआ, सरीसृप जैसे स्तनपायी डायमेट्रोडॉन प्रकट हुए, जिसकी पीठ पर नौका के पाल की तरह एक अंग था, जो ताप को नियंत्रित रखने में मदद करता था।
Time machine ride is going on. I hope people inside are enjoying. See how it's checking from outside. I think this is Journey to the West ride. We already took the ride. It's enjoyable. Kids were really thrilled. This is Mirror Zone at the Science City, Kolkata. So you need to be careful while walking here. Prove with your hand and then proceed, because it may not be a door. These are all mirrors. This is the Space Junk fun game here at the Science City, Kolkata.
We are now having a tram ride in Kolkata tram. It is not a traditional tram, it is an AC one. We are now crossing the Howrah Bridge. It is a cantilevered bridge. It is also known as Rabindra Setu, named after the famous Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. It is the sixth longest bridge of its type.
This is the campus of Liton Hotel where we are staying in Kolkata. There are a few parking spaces available, and there is a resto bar lounge called Sunset in the same campus. Entering the reception area of the hotel.